Okay, so first thing when you start is you want to have clean eyes. So I cleanse my eyes and make sure I was free of all makeup and debris and oils. So that's how you want to start. And then after that, you're ready to start applying. The first step is you apply adhesive. So I'm going to start with that. With the adhesive, you just want to apply it on the base of your lash. You don't want to go up to the tips. All right. After the adhesive is applied like that, and you don't want to apply it too thick, you want to keep it pretty thin, you're ready to apply your lashes. So how you're going to apply them is you're going to start on the inside, on this side, and then the middle, and the outside. So that's how we're going to do it. So when you grab the lashes, you're going to take your tweezer and grab the whole thing, and then you're going to pull it down to take it off. And then you go in and apply it right there. You don't want to go too far in because it will poke your inside. So you want to have like a few healthy lashes and then apply. Middle section. Another middle. And then I'm ready for the outside. And this outside is too long, so I'm going to trim it. And I'm just going to apply a part of it. And there's that one. So you're going to crimp them when you're done. And the reason we do this is because the adhesive is pressure sensitive. And we need to make sure the lashes meet our new ones that we're putting on perfectly. So we crimp them together and the pressure is applied and then they're on tight.